Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn how to target large data groups in Excel. So let's get started. In Excel, as with all other Windows programs, you have to know how to select your data if you want to modify them. So let's go to the beginning here, this first cell here, and hold down the left click button of your mouse and drag down. As long as you don't let go of the left click button of your mouse, you can increase the selection area and decrease it. You see, that's pretty easy, right? Well, let me just click here to deselect that. What if I want to select these all cells containing text and numbers at a go? Then this is the beginning of the cell, is cell A5, and this is the end of the worksheet in cell I30. Here what we do, just come here, select this cell here, then scroll down as long as the text is not much. So I just scroll down to the last here, hold the shift button down and click. Pretty easy, right? Well, let me teach you another way you can easily do that. We know this is the beginning of the worksheet. This is also the end of the worksheet I30. Then I'll come here. Assuming I know it is I30, then I'll type in I30. So I'll select here first. Then I type in I30. Then enter. You see, it goes to the last cell. But I want to select it, right? Then let me come back here. I30. This time around, hold the shift button down and enter. You see, that's pretty cool too. Yeah, what if I want to select random areas on a worksheet? Maybe I want to italize the cell, I want to bold it, I want to change the fonts, I want to change the color. Then I need to come here to the headers of the column and select randomly random cells, just like that. Then I can come to the row section also, select random cells. What if you want to select more than one random cells? Maybe 2, 3, 4 or more. Then I need to hold down the control key on my keyboard. Let me deselect that here. Hold down the control key. I add to selection. I can do the same for the column. Hold down the control key. Really easy, right? Well, you can come to the headers of the column and just, you see, that's pretty cool. Same thing for the rows also. Then you select randomly or hold down the control key on your keyboard. That's pretty easy, right? Well, let me teach you a combination of Control plus Shift plus the arrows button on your keyboard. Let's come to the beginning of the worksheet. Then I'll hold down the Control keyboard and Shift. Then I write the right arrow key. You see, it selects across the rows. With the same selection, don't undo that yet. Hold down the Control key again plus Shift and down arrow. You see, it selects the whole worksheet for me at a go. Again, still same selection, Control, Shift, left arrow, select column A, then Control, Shift, up arrow. It goes back to the beginning of the selection. That's pretty easy, right? And will help you a lot in Excel. Well, what if you want to select a row or a column? You can just Control, spacebar to select a column. Same thing, or Shift, spacebar to select a row. Pretty cool, right? And why would you want to do that? Assuming I want to change the font of this particular cell, I can easily change the font. I can bold and unbold that cell. I can italize it. This will call formatting in Excel. Not to worry, we'll go deeper in other lessons. Well, if you come here, just below the name box is this selection here. I can just click that to select the whole worksheet at a go. Let me just deselect that, or you select an area outside the current region and Ctrl E just once to select the whole worksheet. Either way, I can also do it like this. I select a cell in the current region and I click Ctrl A twice and select it. That's pretty easy, right? That's cool. Well, as long as you know how to target large data groups in Excel and how to move around in a worksheet, you're going to find out you are doing Excel much faster and easier. Thank you. If this video was helpful, subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and let me know how you feel about this tutorial. See you in the next lesson.